Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been so long since I have filmed a video like this on my channel. It's actually been over a year now. I'm not really going to get into why I haven't uploaded in so long, but if you are curious for an explanation, I will leave a little explanation in the description box. But I was recently inspired to make some new videos because of my recent Europe trip. I went to London, Paris, Barcelona, and Madrid. I have uploaded a few vlogs already, so I'll leave those links in the description box. You should definitely check them out. So today I'm going to show you guys how I packed for 10 days in Europe in only a carry-on suitcase. It was pretty difficult because I am a pretty high maintenance person when it comes to the products that I use. I realized that about myself during this trip. I was able to cut down a lot and only pack a carry-on suitcase and a small backpack. I also want to make a disclaimer that I am in no way an expert at packing. This is actually my first time packing for a longer trip. I've never gone to Europe before. This is my first time, and so I'm not an expert at all. I'm just showing you how I managed to pack my suitcase for 10 days in a carry-on. Also, I wanted to point out that during the trip, I actually realized that I kind of underpacked in terms of clothing. I realized that I packed too many like cutesy tops and not enough like basic tops that I could wear with multiple different outfits. I would probably switch a few of them out just for something that I could wear with multiple different pants. I also would have definitely brought a pair of jeans on the trip because it was a little bit cold on some of the days in London and Paris, so I would have definitely changed that and be prepared for more weather conditions, because you never know when the weather is going to change. Even if you check the weather right before you leave, it's always going to change. Also, I would have brought like a cardigan or something. Another thing that I would have changed is instead of bringing only a suitcase and a small backpack as my carry-on luggage, I would have brought a suitcase and a bigger backpack, because I realized that I didn't have any room for any souvenirs or anything like that I bought on the trip, so I had to buy another bag on the trip. But yeah, I definitely would have brought a backpack, an actual backpack, so I could put more things in. Just some things that I would have changed if I were to repack for this trip. I think that's all I wanted to say in this intro, so let's just get right into the video. So this is what my suitcase looks like. It is by a brand called Kenneth and it's called the Reaction suitcase. It's a really nice size. It has a lot of different compartments, which is really nice to fit everything that you need. It has a little bag here that I've already put a few plastic bags for like my laundry, dirty clothes, anything like that. So I'm gonna start off with this side and I'm gonna show you how I pack all of my clothes. So I did purchase these packing cubes that I got from AliExpress. So these were like super inexpensive. I think they were like $6 for a pack of 3 of these packing cubes, and then there were 3 of these pouches here. So there's one large one like this, a medium size, and then a small pouch. The other 2 pouches I am bringing with me in my backpack carry-on. In this small packing cube, I already packed all my socks and my underwear in here. So let me just show you all the tops that I'm bringing, and then I will pack it all into the packing cube. So the first top I'm bringing is this really cute vibrant top that I got from a store called Urban Planet. It has these wide sleeves and it's cropped, and I thought this would look really cute in Spain because I'm going to Barcelona and Madrid, and don't mind my cat over there. This is the next top that I'm bringing. Is a cropped over the shoulder top, also has these wide sleeves here. And then I'm bringing this white, again, over the shoulder crop top. And then I'm also packing this white cami. This is from Hollister. It's just a plain white tank. And then I'm bringing this cropped white tee. I got this pretty last minute at H&M. I really wanted a top that was cropped with like cuffed sleeves like this. I think that this would be really cute with one of the pants that I'm bringing. And I think that this would be a very staple t-shirt to pair with different kinds of pants as well. And then I'm bringing this gray over the shoulder top. These types of tops are very in right now, so I thought this would be cute with some shorts, a skirt. Again, another staple. In that packing cube, I'm also going to be bringing this gray maxi dress. On the really hot days, I thought this would be a really cute dress to wear. Also going to be bringing a black version as well. It's just a long black maxi, not maxi actually, it's a midi dress. So that is everything that I'm putting in here. So let me just fold everything up. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what I'm going to be packing in this bigger packing cube here. So this is where I'm going to put all of my pants. So I'm bringing a pair of these culottes, I think they're called. It's just a nice blue and white striped, wide-legged, high-waisted. I'm planning to wear this in London because it's going to be a little bit cooler in London. Then I am bringing these high-waisted striped pants here. These are more fitted, and again, I think this would look really cute for the places where it's going to be a little bit colder. And I am bringing another striped pant. So this is another one of those high-waisted where you tie it, and it's not much of a wide leg as the other blue pair that I was showing you, but it's a similar style. And I am bringing this long black skirt. I thought this would look really cute with the yellow top that I was showing you guys. I am bringing one pair of shorts, so these are just some distressed high-waisted denim. And then also I am going to be putting this jumper, so it just has some buttons. It's like a cropped leg, and it's also a wide leg at the bottom, so I thought that was really cute. And then this was like a last minute addition. I was going to bring a pair of jeans, but I was looking at the weather and it's not going to be very cold in any of the cities, really. It's going to be more in the mid-20s to 30s, so I decided to bring this dress. This is from Forever 21. It's super cute. It's just like a midi dress with some lace at the top. Also in here, I'm just going to fit some of my bras on top because it wouldn't fit anywhere else. And then on the side here, I'm just going to put the packing cube that has all of my socks and underwear on the side. Then on top of that, I'm just going to put my towel here. I was going to buy a travel towel that was like microfiber, which is a lot thinner, saves a lot more space, and a lot lighter. But I didn't end up doing that. But for next time, I think I would, because this takes up a lot of space and also weight as well. And then I'm going to buckle this up. In this pocket, I am going to put PJs in here. So I just have a pair of shorts and a t-shirt. And then I'm also going to put my bathing suits in there as well. So it's the same bathing suit but different color. One is just black, one's red. So it's one of those high-waisted bottoms with a like tube top situation. These look like super high-waisted on camera, but once you put it on, it looks totally fine. Okay, so now on this side, I'm going to put my big toiletry bag in here. I'm going to put my straightener on the side here. This is just a GHD straightener. Then I have a Ziploc bag of my shampoo conditioner. I had to put it in a separate bag because it wouldn't fit in my toiletry bag. And I am bringing this wristlet for when we go out. This bag has my brushes and other tools in here like tweezers, lash glue, beauty blender, things like that. In this big pouch, I'm just going to put some electronics. So I have some universal adapters. I have an extra charger for my camera battery. I have another little adapter here for Europe. Here I have a bunch of our travel documents, so I'm just going to slip this in here too. And I also have some jewelry in here. I just have earrings and some rings in here. I'm not really an accessory type of person, so I just have that. I also have some nipple covers because I'm going to need one for one of my outfits. So that's all in there. I'm also bringing this green jacket because I really don't have any other kind of sweater or anything, and this is going to go with most of my outfits. I also have this hair turban that I can't live without these days, so I need to bring this with me as well. Zipping all right up. I'm going to put my flip-flops in here. I'm going to be staying in hostel, so I definitely want to make sure I have a pair of flip-flops. And then in here, I'm just going to put some tea in here. I just got sick right before my trip, unfortunately, so I have some lemon ginger tea that I'm gonna put in here. And then just some last minute items. I have my razor that I need to bring and my deodorant. Alright, so that's that. I have everything packed in here. Everything else that I'm bringing is going to be in my backpack, which is pretty much just airplane accessories. Let's close this baby up. And that's that. So that is how I packed my carry-on suitcase for 10 days in Europe. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and that you were able to take some pointers. Definitely check out my vlogs from Europe. By the time this video is up, I think all of them are up already, so I'll definitely leave a link of all of them down below. Also, if you want to see any other videos revolving around this traveling to Europe situation, let me know in the comments. Anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!